welcome to the orientation session of Gandhi Study Circle, Zakir Hussain Delhi College, University of Delhi. Gandhi Study Circle of Zakir Hussain Delhi College has a consistent history of being the most vigorous society, efficiently providing insights about the political and social life of Mahatma Gandhi to the students for enriching their knowledge to analyze Gandhian values and philosophy, along with a practical approach to his beliefs. Gandhi Study Circle has been eminently organizing seminars and webinars of international and national significance, attracting Gandhian enthusiasts not only from our college but from students and renowned professors across the world. We have also been organizing conferences, debates, along with skillful activities for students to engage with Gandhian thoughts and philosophy. Worthiest of all is our belief and action of not only studying Gandhi, but also to adopt and to give life back to all the practices which Gandhiji adopted himself. And for achieving the same, our society has set new standards by organizing charkha classes, book discussion sessions, mind management series, yoga classes, international seminars and conferences, interactive sessions and webinars, and the Distinguished Gandhi Lecture Series. To look upon and to guide the proceedings and the functioning of the society, we have Dr. Sanjeev Kumar Sir, convener of Gandhi Study Circle. Always lets us understand the practical idealist Gandhiji and provides us all the possible opportunities to connect ourselves with not only the supremacy of politics in the Gandhian context, but also with the Gandhian process of social change and nation building. Our society is also blessed with some exceptional mentors like Dr. Shabana Azmi ma'am, Dr. Tripta Sharma ma'am, Dr. Aftab Alam sir, and Dr. Uma Shankar sir. With consistent hard work and dedication, our Executive Council has been able to undertake and complete many new initiatives. Here is our core team of 2021 to 2022. Now we have a short glimpse of our past activities. Srishti, is my screen visible?
Yes, Zoya, it is visible.
Okay, thank you so much, Tanmay. Now I would like to invite Biprajit, a very active core member, to give a brief introduction about our book reading club. Over to you, Biprajit.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
We'll just wait for the slide to be presented. Uh, a very good afternoon to everyone. Sanjeev sir, Shavana ma'am, and everyone from the first year who have joined us today. As you saw in the video that the Gandhi Study Circle takes up a lot of initiatives, including the Gandhi Jayanti Fest and other initiatives such as mind management, charkha classes, and reading club is one of its initiatives, one of its branches that tries to indulge with Gandhi in a through his texts and also through the texts of various contemporaries and various other persons who have tried to study Gandhi or who have lived in the same era with Gandhi. Uh, so the reading club basically is a space for all of us to indulge with selected texts that do not necessarily belong only to Gandhi. That is, they are not necessarily only written by Gandhi, but are about Gandhi or are about the circumstances and situations in which Gandhi lived, in order to achieve an understanding, in order to see Gandhi from various perspectives and understand what the man was and what were his ideas, what were his conceptions, and how he visualized politics, society, and other such broader aspects. The In the first session of the reading club, we engaged with Hind Swaraj, one of the famous texts of Gandhi, and all of us, other fellow members of the society or the study circle joined, and we discussed on various topics, indulging from education to society to other such ideas of Gandhi that he has highlighted in the Hind Swaraj. And in the upcoming sessions, we wish to broaden our horizons and we wish to engage with texts that include Gandhi, plus also some of his other contemporaries like Rabindranath Tagore, like C. Rajagopalachari, and other such personalities who have lived with Gandhi and who have written about him or written in the same period, in order to understand the contrast between Gandhi's ideas and the ideas of his contemporaries, and also to find similarities. So that is an exercise that we will take up in the coming days once all of you are settled into the study circle. One more speciality about this space is that we do not only read here, that is, we do not only read the text, we also make sure that we have enough time to discuss it. That is, you are not supposed to just read the text out or read the words out as it is written. You can talk about it or discuss it with all the members of the reading club in your own words. That is, by presenting your own understanding of whatever you have read and how you visualize it. And it does not necessarily have to uh, present your favoritism for Gandhi. It can also present your understanding of Gandhi in whichever way you understand him. This is a space wherein we entertain each and every view that is presented in a humble and dignified manner about Gandhi and about his contemporaries and ideas. So I look forward to welcoming all of you to the reading club and to indulge in discussions and deliberations about Gandhi and reading texts about from him and about him. Thank you very much for your patience, and hope to see you all of you as a part of the reading club. Uh, I'd like to now invite Ishani to shed light on the mind management sessions that the study circle undertakes.
Thank you, Biprajit. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Ishani, and I would like to extend my best wishes to all the teachers, friends, and a very warm welcome to all the freshers. Hope everyone is doing well. Zoya has told us the details about GST and its motives. Following that, Biprajit has also explained one of our initiatives, that is the book reading club. I'm here to talk about a very novel initiative of GST, that is Mind Management Series. Mind Management Initiative was started in 2020 during the lockdown as a response to the increasing level of stress and anxieties in students. Our mind is just like the engine of our body, and its malfunctioning would result in the body's malfunctioning. Thus, mind management was an opportunity where students could discuss their problems and find some relief to them. Mind Management series has got a very wide and positive response from the students. During the pandemic, it was this platform that students gain positivity in their lives. These are weekly sessions that provide happiness and peace to the students through simple relaxation techniques. Students are provided with positive thoughts during the session, and this helps them to make their mind more powerful and productive. This prepares them to achieve success by establishing a connect with themselves and their own inner energies, which most of us tend to forget and ignore most of the time. The positive thoughts provided in these sessions has helped students in two ways. Number one, they have gained confidence in themselves. And number two, once they feel confident about themselves, they are ready to take up and face challenges. They learn to accept things, control negativity from disturbing them, and thus ensure a happy and peaceful life for themselves. In the previous sessions, we have seen that students have asked extremely pertinent questions like what is success? Why don't we feel happy and peaceful even after achieving success? Such questions were dealt by the experts who conduct these sessions. In due course of time, students have achieved positive changes in their lives. They often tell us that they have become more calm and composed than before. They are able to control anger and prevent destruction. They are able to overcome negative situations with ease, communicate more effectively, and are able to have better concentration. Thus, this has helped them to develop their skills and being more productive. So with this, on behalf of entire Gandhi Study Circle, I would request you to be a part of these sessions, and surely you would have an interactive, engaging, wonderful and enriching experience which would be beneficial and worthwhile. We'll be happy to clarify any queries about the timing and functioning of these sessions. Also, we will conduct a session in which you can join and have an experience of the same very soon. So we are hopeful for a large and active participation from your side. Now, next, I would like to draw your attention to the distinguished lecture series that Gandhi Study Circle regularly conducts. These lectures have provided opportunities to students to interact with experienced scholars who have worked extensively in their fields. The speakers are of great repute, and it's an honor to hear their views. These lectures enhance our knowledge, thus providing a new and wider outlook of the subject. Some of the prominent speakers that have engaged with the students are Professor Akil Bilgrami from Columbia University, whose theme of discussion was Gandhi's legacy for our times. Next, we had Faisal Devji from University of Oxford, who had spoken about Gandhi's silence. Next session, which was the third session, was by Professor Bhiku Parekh and was chaired by Professor Geeta Dharampal. The theme of the session was Gandhi and Swaraj in Ideas. The next session was by Professor Dennis Dalton and was chaired by Professor A. Raghuram Raju, and whose theme of discussion was Indian Ideas of Freedom. The fifth session was by Professor Ajay Sakaria and was chaired by Professor Bindu Puri from JNU, and who spoke about non-willing freedom, that is how Gandhi matters today. And the last and the most recent recent session was by Professor Karuna Mantena from Columbia University and was chaired by Professor Usha Thakkar, who spoke on the theme Gandhi's critique of violence. So these were the lectures conducted, and we look forward to many more such events. Now Zoya will be giving a brief account of the seminars and interactive sessions conducted by GSC. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ishani and Viprajit. Along with the Distinguished Gandhi Lecture Series, we also have been organizing various webinars and interactive sessions. Few of our past sessions are displayed on the screen. On 30th January this year, we had a webinar by Himanshu Kumar sir. He's a well-known Gandhian human rights activist. We also had a webinar by Professor Anand Kumar sir. He is an eminent academician and social activist. The webinar was organized in collaboration with AWAM, Department of Political Science, Zakir Hussain Delhi College. Recently, we organized a week-long Gandhi Jayanti celebration, which included 2 interactive sessions. The first session was by Dr. Ramchand Pradhan sir. He is an eminent Gandhian scholar and social activist. And the second session was by His Excellency Dr. Roger Gopal sir. He is the High Commissioner for the Republic of Trinidad and Tobago. We had a huge number of Gandhian enthusiasts, including both the students and some renowned professors all over the world. In the offline mode, we have been organizing various outreach and regular activities like the charkha spinning classes, as you can see on the screen, plantation drive, orphanage visit, and international conferences, and many other activities. Now I would like to tell you about our membership application. Srishti, yeah, thank you so much. We will be sharing this PPT with you in the chat box. Ishani, can you please share the message of the application form?
Yes, sir. I do.
Yeah. So you can fill out the application form. We have listed all the roles and responsibilities of the teams mentioned on the screen. Please go through the roles and responsibilities, and you can choose 2 options from all the teams mentioned over here. And once you fill the application form, we will be contacting you shortly. And now I would like to invite our convener, Dr. Sanjeev Kumar sir, to say a few words.
Thank you, Zoya. I think it is your initiative, students' initiative, and today I think the students should speak rather than the convener and the other faculty staff.
Okay.
But I welcome all the new students, freshers joining this session today. I think all our members have briefly explained you the different activities that we engage. My only concern is, as you saw me speaking in beginning, that if you really feel committed to the cause of Gandhian research, activism, you'll have to spare some time out of your busy schedule. If you think that you can commit yourself, discipline, then please join this society. But otherwise, there are other priorities in life that we are occupied with. So please consider this when you have a time. Okay. And of course, when you engage here, there is a lot that you are going to learn through this exercise, not just as students, but as human beings. That I can assure you. But the only request to all of you, be serious in terms of what you decide to do in life. Be disciplined, be committed. And that's the only message that I want to give through Gandhi Study Circle. Students have already explained you in details how the society has functioned. It's broadly the initiative of students, and the teachers are there to support them, in different ways that we can. Thank you so much and welcome to the society. Look forward to having you in the coming session. Thank you.
Sir, we now invite our core members to share their experience.
Zoya, why don't you invite your own core group members, beginning with the office bearers, and then perhaps others can also, speak about.
Okay, sir.
The executive councils to speak, and then the other members can be invited to speak because they are the flag bearers. They should speak. I think Aditya can speak,
Aditya, would you like to share your experience?
Sure, I'd be happy to. May I go ahead?
Yes, you're audible.
All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Zoe. Very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Gandhi Study Circle. I'm Aditya. I'm a second year undergraduate here, Political Science Honors, and I am the General Secretary of the Gandhi Study Circle, which was the office bearer from representing the second year, right? And in my experience with the Gandhi Study Circle, and I have been associated with the society since I was a fresher, since I joined this institute, Zakir Hussain, that Gandhi Study Circle is one society which is intrinsically very diverse, right? So once you are a part of the society, there are a lot of learning opportunities within it. These opportunities being very different, right? So there are a number of initiatives which start, right? You have the book club, you have the lecture series, you have the meditation classes, as you saw in the presentation, and as Viprajit and Nishani talked to you about, right? You get a lot of learning opportunities. You get opportunities to interact with people such as Lord Bhitu Parekh, Professor Anand Kumar, and most recently I got a chance, having to a chance to interact with Professor Tanuna Mante now, who is a researcher from Columbia University. Right, and these are incredibly amazing opportunities when you get an opportunity to discuss views, ideas, suggestions. Right, you get to engage in deliberations about Gandhian ideas specifically, since that is where our more focus goes. Right, but the idea being that you get to start a discussion, engage in deliberation. Right, which is a wonderful idea in its own right. Further, what makes Gandhi Study Circle a more a very interesting, a very special society is how did these all these initiatives come to be, right? How did the distinguished lecture series come to be? How did the book club come to be? How did the meditation, the meditation classes come to be? What happens in Gandhi Study Circle is that, or what makes it special is that our convener Sanjeev sir, even our office bearer Zoyadi, they are very open, very receptive to new ideas, right? So you have that freedom to be as creative as you want to be, right? So you can come up with suggestions as to you don't need to necessarily stick to what is already happening. You don't need to stick to the status quo here. You can come up with your own ideas. How can we make our society better? How can we utilize this opportunity, our time to its maximum extent, right? And those are your ideas. You have the freedom here to come up with those, and you have the ecosystem that you need. You have the framework that you need here, to be able to actually utilize those ideas or mechanize those ideas, which makes Gandhi Studies Center an absolutely amazing place to be. Right? It gives you that freedom to be able to take an idea, take an initiative which comes out of your own creativity, and be able to mechanize it to its most possible extent. And that is what makes Gandhi Study Center a very special place to be. And honestly, I don't want to take up much of your time. That is what I have experience in the Gandhi Study Circle, and that is why I believe you should all seriously consider joining this society. Thank you.
Thank you, Aditya. Tanmay, would you like to go next?
Yeah, sure, Zoya. First of all, I welcome all the freshers here to the Gandhi Study Circle family. My name is Tanmay. I'm presently studying in third year Political Science Honors. I have been in the Gandhi Study Circle since my first year, that is from the first year of my bachelor. It is indeed a very interesting journey to tell you, first of all, because what we are trying to explore is not only Gandhi, but all the values and virtues which are related to him, which in a way encompass the entire scope of our whole life. It tries to tell us how to lead a happy, virtuous life. That is a way of life. Now, in the offline mode, we had been associated with various other interactive sessions also, like the charkha spinning classes or visit to orphanages, plantation drives, and all that. But there is no need to be disheartened about that fact. Even in the online mode, as you have seen, we are engaging more interactively by initiating book clubs and trying to interact with all the prominent scholars and philosophers which we might get, not only those who favor Gandhi, but those who are a valid critique of him and try to bring about what actually truth might be, because truth is what we cannot define. So there are various interesting occasions on which we try to interact with all students, and they put forward their own fresh ideas. As you might have noted, Aditya already pointed out that this is an open platform. Provided you are having a valid logical argument, we are here to listen to you and make any corrections as possible. We are as flexible as possible, but it demands your own time and dedication to the society. So it is a very interesting journey. So I invite you all to, if you are keenly interested in knowing what life actually is, I think you should be in this society. So thank you.
Thank you, Tanmay. Ankit, would you like to go next?
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, thank you very much. So first of all, I'd like to thank you, Zoya, and our convener, Dr. Sanjeev sir, for giving me opportunity like this. So because we're currently having a lot of freshers who are joining us through the online medium, I'd like to share my experience how I came into society and why I think the society as a fresher you should join it. So let me begin. My journey is something little different because when I joined society, things were slightly offline than what it's currently online. But due course of time, we changed it and also tried to adapt to new ways, tried to bring new initiatives. And absolutely, these initiatives from the student members and core members were there. Members were there. They proposed like if where things are going online, why not let's do our lectures, international webinars, seminars to converting into webinars, coordinating them, and try to ensure that we are getting the best in online also. Except for what we were doing in offline, that was also one of the best from the Jew societies. Now, let me tell you why you should join this society or basically Gandhi Study Circle at first. As you know, when you come to a university or basically Delhi University, you come to there are a lot of societies, right? You came to know, oh yeah, this society is good. This society has a lot of opportunity. There's a placement cell, and also if we get a certificate from this society, we are going to have a lot of luck in upcoming of placement. So yeah, these things goes and goes as your junior, as a fresher. Absolutely, completely fine. But why this Gandhi Study Circle is not only specified to a certain society. Let me tell you why. You go to a dance society, right? So maximum majority of them, they're going to be a dance. You go to music society, they're going to be a musics. Absolutely. You go to debating society, they're going to be debates. But you cannot assume or you can't expect that dance is going in a debating society. In music society, we are having a debates. These things you can't accept from particular society. But in Gandhi Study Circle, we provide the opportunity to get a part from all those activities in one. And when these things are coming up in one, it means we are also getting a lot of responsibility as being a member of Gandhi Study Circle. And this is where one of the most precious things that promotes or basically motivated me to part is to improve my ability to control or improve my ability to control over myself, over my emotions, and how to handle my peers, my juniors, my mates, even my seniors. It give me wide opportunity. And one more thing, let me be very clear, because अब तक हम सब इंग्लिश में कर रहे बातचीत कर रहे थे, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि it is only English, it is a bilingual society. Let me make it very clear. अगर आप हिंदी में अच्छे वक्त है, अगर आप हिंदी में आपको बोलना बहुत अच्छे से आता है, हिंदी में आप अगर आप अच्छा इंग्लिश आपको इतनी मजबूत भी नहीं है, तो इसका कोई क्राइटेरिया नहीं है कि आपको इंग्लिश ही आना चाहिए. अगर आप हिंदी में भी अच्छे हैं तो बिल्कुल आ सकते हैं, बिल्कुल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. उसके साथ ही चरखा क्लासेस, जो वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग यू विल फाइंड इन एनी अदर सोसाइटी, आपको चरखा क्लासेस देखने को मिलेंगे. आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट भी कर सकते हैं, हालांकि अभी ऑनलाइन में पॉसिबल नहीं, बट व्हेन वी गो टू ऑफलाइन वी वुड बी देयर. Next coming is inter-college competition and also international interactions, as we have mentioned earlier. So initially what used to happen in offline session, we used to call professors from various colleges which are out of our country and basically from the prestigious colleges. But due to online mode, things have become a little bit easier for them also to join us. The online meet is getting smoother to getting interacting with them. In offline also it was also nice, but since we've shifted to online mode, we're looking forward to make it more offline to online shift mode also. So I would like to say that this all those things which we have come across, which adaptations, the how society is working and giving you a lot of opportunity in a single Gandhi study circle, which you're not going to get in any particular society. I would highly recommend you as a fresher to join and try to find out what is your best course where you can find yourself and develop yourself and basically developing your personality. So with this, I rest my words and say thank you for listening and being a patient listener. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Ankit. Umang, would you like to share your experience?
Yes. Am I visible?
Yes, you're visible.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pumang Kumar Gupta. I am from third year. First of all, I would like to welcome juniors here in GSC, Gandhi Study Circle. And I would also like to thank my teacher, especially Sanjeev sir, the convener of GSC, Savannah ma'am, Tripta ma'am, and my fellow mates who helped to make GSC as our family. Juniors, you will be knowing that there are many society in our college. But for me, GSC was something different since first year. Before joining the GSC, we come about lot of perception about Gandhiji. But only after joining the GSC, we we um, we realize the actual and basic idea of Gandhiji. I remember when the college was in offline mode, we used to learn how to spin charkha, and it helped me to keep myself calm. Also, we used to organize uh, seminars, inter-college function. Also, we used to visit orphanage, Gandhi Smriti, Gandhi Bhavan, Rajghat, and many other places and activities which were related to Gandhiji. And it gave the practical experience about Gandhiji in GST, what you will also learn when the college will be in physical mode or offline mode. And I personally felt it. But unfortunately, we can only get 1 year in physical mode, and pandemic came, everything shifted in online mode, and we needed different approach for study and our society as well. Also in online mode, there were mental stress in students, but all that happening, there was GSC, and the environment it provided to students, like organizing webinars and especially mind management class, reading club, all that help us in learning new approach and engage with society when the situation demanded isolation. Also, we experienced to tackle the stress, like academic stress, family issues, issues with friends, and all demanded clear thought ourselves to be more expressive in showing our emotion. And I will say that most of the situation could only dealt with the discipline and patience, which actually Gandhiji talks about, and I have learned in GSC. So I would recommend you students come and join GSC and practice the real idea of Gandhiji. And I assure you that when you will join GSC, practice the idea of Gandhiji, you will also feel more stable, calm, punctual, and disciplined in your life. So I would like to conclude my words by saying that the more you will know Gandhi, the more you will feel stable in your life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pumang. We also have Samir Bhaiya with us today. He's a senior. He was also a very active core member of a society. Samir Bhaiya, can you please share your experience with us?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Bhaiya, we can hear you.
Yeah. So thank you very much, Zoya, first of all, for inviting me over here. So hi everyone, very good afternoon. So it's a great pleasure to be here today with all of you. So I would like to send my warm greetings to all the teachers, Sanjeev sir, Shabana ma'am, and Tripta ma'am. So and I would like to send my warm greetings to my dear juniors as well, Zoya, Tushar, Ankit, Omang, and whoever is here. Uh, also, I would like to mention my fellow colleagues from last year, Subeba, Aarti, uh, Sakshi. I think these three were there only. So yeah, I would like to welcome all the freshers to Gandhi Study Circle of Zakir Hussain Delhi College. So this is the best society you will get in the college to work, to learn, to introspect, and to make good friends, to to bring the best out of yourself. So my experience in the society has been really good. Like it was the best experience one could get in any society of the college. So I made a lot of friends. I had a lot of good experience. Like I became a better leader, a better version of myself. The society gave me a lot of chances to prove myself. And like really, when I tell that I had been a manager of Gandhi Study Circle, so yeah, I get a lot of praises from outer world as well. Like it was one of the biggest accolade I have ever earned. So I would like to urge my fellow freshers that once you join the society, just don't be a part of the WhatsApp group, don't be a part of the contact list. Be an active member, work for the society, make your own space, because you will have to make your own space. You will have to come in the forefront. No one would serve you in a plate. So work for the society. Ask your leaders, ask Zoya or Ankit or Tushar, or get in touch with the teachers, like how could you be of any help for the society, or if you are having any plans for the betterment of society, then definitely you can present your plans. You can come up with your plans. Teachers and your fellow leaders would definitely help you and would definitely hear out your plan, and if it sounds good, then you will definitely see the execution of your plan. That is the one thing. Secondly, I would like to tell you all that the society which you are joining is a Gandhi society. So Gandhian values, as we already know, that it is very important for our Indian culture. First of all, so you will get to learn a lot of things about your culture as well. So yeah, it is the best society you will get in your college. So try to exploit the opportunity. Try to make the best out of it. So yeah, that's it from my side. I would like to wish you all. I would like to wish you all the very best and do good. And if anything comes up, or if I can be of any help to anyone, be it, and this is for everyone, Zoya, Tushar, or Ankit, whosoever needs any kind of help or any kind of suggestion, just reach out to me every time. Yeah, that's it from my side. All the very best, and thank you so much, Zoya, for inviting.
Thank you very much, Bhaiya, for coming. Suraj, would you like to share your experience next?
Yeah, I hope I am audible since I am having a little.
Yes. Yes, you're audible.
Okay, all right. So, first of all, very warm good afternoon to one and all present here, our respected teachers, professors, seniors, my peers, and dear freshers. I'm Suraj and I'm pursuing my bachelor's. Uh, and basically, I joined the society in the very initial phase of my college life, and to be honest, that has been really a very good decision that I ever made in my life. The reason being, okay, there are like majorly two reasons why I do accredit this, me having a wonderful experience here. And the first and the foremost being the very novel and very unique and very important initiative that the society has taken, the mind management sessions. I have been like very vehemently speaking for them because I always had anxiety and stress problem, and the society, I'm literally very glad that I joined the society. And because I always had the problem of stress, anxiety, but the society actually helped me in managing myself, managing my mind in the situation where I desperately needed something like that. So I am thankful and grateful for being there and the initiative the society took. And secondly, because being here in the society, we are endowed with an opportunity to listen to exponentially eminent personalities, researchers, professors, teachers across the globe. And this is literally one of the best opportunities this society provides us. And this is really a very rare thing that you will get anywhere, like having a direct interaction with them. Listening to them, first of all, is something like very good, and having an interaction is the cherry on the cake. So yeah, I'm like, I would literally implore all the freshers to be here to join the society because it provides you ample of opportunity. I request you guys to join it and like explore as much as you can, take, collect, explore as much as you can, and give like learn from here, let others learn from you. No, because this is really a very, very wonderful place or space to be. So I'm saying this thing from my personal experience. This is like, okay, concluding. Thank you very much. That's it, Soyadi.
Thank you so much, Suraj. We also have Sakshi Di with us. She was the former president of Gandhi Study Circle. So Sakshi Di, can you please share your experience with us?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Di, you are audible.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon.
Di, can you please place your mic a little bit more closer because we can't hear you clearly.
Now?
Now it's better.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes. Now you're audible.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sakshi Vats. I was the president of Gandhi Study Circle in year 2020 to 2021. The thing about the society is that I joined the society when I was in class, when I was in second year. And now that I have currently passed the undergraduation, I'm still a part of the society. It's that interactive and that good the society is. And I just want to say everybody has given their output on how they have understood the society, how you can actually use it to your own benefit, how you can add your own value to the society also. I just want to say a very best of luck to everyone who is joining society. Use it, benefit it from it, and give a lot of thing to it also. And it's a good society to interact. You know why I'm saying to interact? It's not only for you to interact with colleges which are in international situation also, but your own Delhi University colleges also. We have collaborated with Mirinda House. We have collaborated with different universities also. It's a very good place to interact with your own seniors, juniors, teachers. So just utilize this position, utilize this opportunity, get the best out of it, and just enjoy this 3 year of graduation. All the best to everyone.
Thank you so much, Sakshi Di, for joining us today. Shabana ma'am, can you also please share your experience with us?
Yes, Zoya. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to interact with our students who are actually always the backbone of the college in any society. I welcome all the freshers. And I would like to say 2-3 things. That's it, not much about it. Everyone has already spoken, and experience makes a society. The thing is that Gandhi Study Circle, as all the other students have told you, it is not just, giving you something to do. It is not just that you are being enthusiastic and joining it. It is an activity. But it is also in some ways is actually providing you, in a way, a meaning of life. As far as I have experienced in this society, all you know that there have been so many sub activities. It's an umbrella. Gandhi Study Circle is an umbrella of multiple activities which the students have just mentioned. And there is reading happening, there is academics happening on the one hand, then there are other cultural activities are happening on the other hand. There is a reading club, there is mind management society, then we have a plethora of competitions on various occasions where, singing and dancing, dramatics, everything is invited. So for me, it is something like which gives me meaning of life. There are so many problems happening in our lives, and we are trying to struggle with our career. We are trying to struggle with what we want to be in life. Gandhi Study Circle, in a way, tries to answer those questions also. You will come to know when you join this society. Secondly, I would say that you would ask me, why should you join this society? What is special? Students have already told you. And what would you do in this society? Why should you join this society? Obviously, all the students have told you that it is giving some kind of unique experience, which you actually do not get in other societies. Okay. I have been a member in other societies also. I'm not saying that they don't work, but somehow this society consistently has drawn my interest. This society has consistently something which I look up to, that where you know, where I enjoy. Also, this society is not just about, you know, yeah, it is about Gandhian values, but we should have Gandhian values. To join it is not the criteria. As already other students have told you, that there are critics of Gandhi also. So we actually give them a space also. If students have some criticism about Gandhiji, we give them a space also, and then there is a lot of, we provide a lot of platform to debate and discuss on that also. The students come here, they read other thinkers also, they talk about other thinkers also, and then a debate, a very healthy, positive debates comes out of it. And because of that, a progression takes place, a kind of progression, not in just, you know, in the academics, but a kind of progression in our own thinking, in our own mindset, it takes place. And also, there are students with us who are really very bright, and they are really excellent in everything, in organizing an activity, in reading, writing, intellect. Those who have spoken to you, they all are excellent. I would say I've worked with them. We also learn from them, let me tell you. Okay, so these students have grown in this society also. They had this earlier when they joined the society, but they have actually tried to build on, you know, on what they earlier had, the talent they had. They have built on in the society. I've seen their improvement, progression, and that is phenomenal, I will say. Not just average, but it is phenomenal, I would say. And then they are now into writing, and we are soon planning to come up with a magazine or a journal. So all of you who would like to join the society, they will also get an opportunity to write in that. Not just reading Gandhi, not just debating Gandhi, not just being into so many activities which are related to any Gandhian thought, but also to, you know, writing also. So that is something which is unique to this society. I would like to say a few words about Sanjeev sir. Sanjeev sir is not just a mentor for students, let me tell you. He is a mentor for teachers also. And he has nurtured this society like a father. I would say, sir, sorry, please don't mind it. But he has, I have seen him. I am here with him for past 10 years. I'm working with this society, and I have seen him, how dedicated he is, how sincere he is. And we all learn a lot from him. All means, if someone is not coming on time, like if the meeting time is 5 p.m., he will be there 10 minutes ago. I used to be late 5 to 10 minutes. Let me tell you about myself. But now we all have learned that we have to be there. If we have to sincerely take it up, until and unless there is some problem, there is some really genuine reason, we should be on time. We should be there before 5 p.m. if the meeting is there. So discipline and passion, dedication, sincerity, and understanding are basically the pillars of this society. You can see the activities, they really have some substance in it. ये खाना पूर्ति के लिए यहाँ एक्टिविटी नहीं होता. और जैसे अभी कहा अंकित ने कि इंग्लिश और हिंदी दोनों में हम बात करते हैं. आप लोग भी उस भाषा में बात कर सकते हैं. हर एक को अपना विचार, अपनी बात, अपने आइडियाज, अपनी समझ यहाँ रखने का पूरा अधिकार है. एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को कैसे होना चाहिए, कैसे उसे चलाना चाहिए, कैसे चलना चाहिए, अगर किसी को सीखना है तो मैं कहूंगी वो गांधी स्टडी सर्कल से सीखें. मैंने बहुत सीखा है, मेरी लाइफ में मुझे बहुत फायदा हुआ. ठीक है, अब एक एक्टिविटी के बारे में थोड़ा बोल दूं. रीडिंग क्लब 2 साल पहले एक इनिशिएटिव लिया गया था, और इसमें एक रीडिंग हो चुका है, आई थिंक 2 रीडिंग्स हो चुके हैं, और वंडरफुल रीडिंग्स. क्या सोचकर, क्या अच्छा समझकर स्टूडेंट्स ने लिखा, उनको भी फायदा हुआ. तो रीडिंग क्लब एक इनिशिएटिव है. माइंड मैनेजमेंट एक बहुत अच्छा इनिशिएटिव है. वी आर रनिंग इट फॉर past 1.5 years non-stop. Every Sunday there is a class at 10:30 a.m. as Suraj have just told you. वहां पर भी बहुत पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट बहुत होता है. वहां पर कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग, माइंड कैसे मैनेज करना है, हाउ टू मैनेज द सिचुएशन. वी ऑल कम हियर and we learn about our different disciplines. Like if someone has joined political science honors, they will only learn what is political science, but what is life they won't learn. Political science में life क्या होता है वो उस तरीके से नहीं बताया जाता explicitly, but in mind management classes and in all the activities in fact in Gandhi Study Circle ये सब बताया जाता है. Life क्या है, life को कैसे समझना चाहिए, what is the deeper meaning of life. So that's it. These are two activities. Charkha activity is another activity which is very popular. बाकी सेमिनार्स और लेक्चर्स और ये सब तो होंगे. एक चीज की यहाँ ये जरूरत है कि हमें आकर सिर्फ वहां बैठ के सुनना नहीं है, हमें काम भी करना है साथ में. ये दो चीजें यहाँ साथ साथ चलती हैं. हम सीखते भी हैं, हम सुनते भी हैं और हम काम भी करते हैं, और सभी लोग मिलकर काम करते हैं. Even a single student should not lag behind, and there are students who work proactively, all of them. So हमको भी गांधी स्टडी सर्कल को अपनी जिम्मेदारी समझ के we have to, if we are here, we have to work. WhatsApp ग्रुप में ना रह जाए, जैसे भी किसी ने कहा, we have to be here and we are here for working also. We are learning multiple ways of leading an organization, and we are actually, we are developing ourselves at multiple levels. We have to become multi-dimensional in it. So ये ध्यान रखें, आए, डिसिप्लिन भी रखें और सीखें भी, आगे भी बढ़ें और काम भी करें. Thank you from my side, and congratulations to all. It's a very good orientation. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So most of the students have shared their views. So would you like to speak, or should we conclude the session?
Why don't you ask the new students who have joined to share their understanding and what their,
Okay.
expectations are from us. It's important that they are also part of us today. So they should also, if they have some queries, some questions, you should be ready to, answer them. I think that's important. I think we have spoken enough. Let them also get a chance to say if they want to say.
Okay.
Welcome all the students, all the freshers.
If there's any question from any of the freshers, you can raise your hand and we will enable your mic and you can ask your question.
I see there are many students from other disciplines. That's very heartening. I think that's important. Yes. From Hindi, from sciences, even from evening college, couple of students have joined. But of course, formally we cannot accommodate them, but it's good that they are here. So anybody can speak. I think Preeti has raised her hand.
Preeti, I think you can speak now.
Hello everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, Preeti, you're audible.
Okay. So first of all, a very good afternoon to all teachers, to all ma'am and all students, like my friends. मैं बस इतना कहना चाहती हूँ कि मैं सोसाइटी को ज्वाइन करना चाहती हूँ, मतलब मैं ज्वाइन करने वाली हूँ. आई एम जस्ट फिलिंग द फॉर्म. तो मुझे लगा जब भी हम किसी को बोलते हैं कि हम गांधी से रिलेटेड कुछ बात करते हैं, तो दे स्टार्टेड लाइक कि तुम गांधी ने तो ये करा था, गांधी जी ने वो करा था, तो वो उनको एज अ पॉलिटिकल लीडर्स की तरह जज करते हैं. बट यहाँ मैं क्या ऑब्जर्व कर रही हूँ कि आप सब जिस तरीके से बोल रहे हैं, आप बहुत ज्यादा काम लग रहे हो. मतलब जो बच्चे होते हैं हमारी एज के, जैसे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट है, जो बहुत ज्यादा फ्रस्ट्रेटेड रहते हैं, उनके अलग ही कुछ लाइफ चल रही है, तो यहाँ आप सब इतने काम हो, चीजों को इतना मतलब शांति से ले रहे हो. और आपने बताया कि मेडिटेशन होता है, और मेरी आदत है, मैं हमेशा ब्रह्म कुमारी की वीडियोस, मतलब प्लेलिस्ट में उनकी पूरी वीडियोस देख के जो मेरा व्यू पॉइंट है वो टोटली चेंज हो चुका है टुवर्ड्स लाइफ, कि लाइफ को मैं कैसे लेना चाहिए, किसी इंसान की बिहेव, मतलब एक बोलते हैं साइकोलॉजी समझ आ चुकी है पीपल की. तो इसलिए मुझे लग रहा है कि मैं तो बहुत ज्यादा सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत ज्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ और मैं इसको मतलब ज्वाइन करना चाहती हूँ. आई मीन 2 or 3 सोसाइटीज लाइक सिंगिंग सोसाइटीज, और मुझे लग रहा है यहाँ ज्यादा अपॉर्चुनिटीज मिलने वाली है, जैसे कि आप लोगों ने बताया मुझे. तो मुझे कोई क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, जस्ट मैं आप लोगों से इंटरेक्ट करना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, thank you so much, Preeti, and I'm really glad to hear this. And you can contact me also personally. My number is already on the poster, so we can get in touch. Okay.
Yes.
And is there any comments or questions from any other freshers? If you have any questions or comments, you can raise your hand. We will enable your mic. I don't think we have any questions or comments anymore.
That's it. Then I think it's great. I think this has been a good journey. I think if they are a part of us, it will be great. And even if they are not part of us, they can always join in different initiatives that we have. It's not important that you are a member, then only you can participate in our activities. You can always join our activities as and when you think you want to join it. But my only request to all of you, if you decide to join as a member, there is a little commitment that is expected from you as serious students, and that's the only condition that we put. Other than that, you are free to decide the ways you want to take this society ahead with initiatives, anything that you have in mind. Then we are going to go ahead with your mission. Thank you so much. It was lovely being here, listening to all of you, and of course to all the students, all the core members who are here. I think I thoroughly enjoyed this session, and I look forward to other initiatives of the society. So on my part, thank you so much, Zoya, to all of you for having me here today. It was a student initiative. Still, you decided to call us. So I feel very happy. And my faculty member, Shavana, is there. So thank you, Savannah, for your very kind words. I don't deserve that, but still, I try to imbibe certain values and try to learn through my experience. Thank you so much for this. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can we also ask Puttu to share his experience? He has joined us today. Like he's having his exams. He has joined us.
No problem. That's great. That shows the kind of commitment that he has for us. I think that's great, Puttu.
Good evening, sir, and good evening, ma'am, and all present here. I'm Puttu Kumar, a second year student of political science, and so I've joined the society in first semester itself. So I'm when we talk about the experience, so already the teachers and our seniors and classmates and core member have already spoken about it. So I जहाँ तक मैं सोच पा रहा हूँ सो मतलब अगर स्पेशली फ्रेशर्स को इफ दे फील लाइक कि if you have to ना join like because in the society there is a reading society in this society we'll get to know about the quiz competition mind management already the Sabana ma'am has spoken about and when we talk about the other thing as well कि आप लोग को और जैसे हाल फिलहाल में अगर हम देखें तो कोरोना मंटाना प्रोफेसर ऑफ कोलंबिया यूनिवर्सिटी और इसके अलावा और इमिनेंट प्रोफेसर जैसे आप लोग को ना इंटरेक्शन करने का मौका मिलता है सो आई थिंक अगर इफ यू आर ज्वाइनिंग दिस सोसाइटी देन यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटी सो या दैट्स इट फ्रॉम माय साइड थैंक यू वेरी मच
Thank you so much, Puttu. We will be sharing the application form, the message in the WhatsApp group that we have created for all the freshers. I would request each one of you to share that form with all your classmates from other departments also who were not able to join us today. And with this, we can end this session. Thank you very much for joining us today. And I hope you'll be applying to join the society. Thank you so much for joining us. So we can end the session now.
Yeah, I just have a word with Aditya and all of you can leave. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
And Shavana, you can also wait if you want, like just a little.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, I'm here.
And please stop the recording now. I think the session is over. Shavana, why don't you ask Zoya to just stop?